Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix your speaker not working on Redmi Note 9 Pro. Let's begin! First, a very easy fix, just check your volume levels. You can do that by pressing either of the volume buttons, just like that. Now, as you can see, if I would, for example, play a YouTube video now, it would be very, very loud. However, if I would be playing the YouTube video like this, it would be very quiet. And if I would go something like this, I wouldn't hear anything at all. So you want to make sure that you actually have some sort of media volume, and this is the media volume, by the way. If you would click the three dots here, we will see the media volume, notifications volume, and alarm volume. However, there is also other possible solution to why your speaker isn't working, and it's because the Bluetooth. Well, as you can see, we do have some sort of earbuds now, and if I would open them, they should automatically connect to my device in any moment now, as you can see by the changing Bluetooth icon. And now the icon isn't really changed. There is no Bluetooth icon to indicate that, hey, we are actually changing the volume of the phone now. No, we are changing the volume of our speakers here, or headphones, earbuds, whatever we have chosen. And our phone technically isn't playing any audio now, it directs it to our speakers and the speakers are playing them. So, in order to fix it, all you want to do is just rule out the Bluetooth devices so they are out of the picture, and now we can go back to our testing. Though, to be fair, there isn't really much to do, since we've already tried many things and it appears that your speaker might still be an issue. Technically, we could go to settings, we could go into sound and vibration, and if you would scroll down, we do have silent mode. So this is basically a nice way, this is basically a do not disturb mode, though as you can see it actually is something different from do not disturb mode. But basically if you do that, you will mute everything, so we will see no sound, and the same things go with silent mode. If you have this enabled, you will basically hear nothing at all. So you want to make sure that you have these functions disabled. But after you have done that, and if your speaker isn't still working, well, tough luck, buddy, because it appears that your speakers have suffered some physical damage. And to be honest, there isn't really much we can do about it. Technically, you could just clean them up, because maybe they have some sort of debris or dust or sand or whatever. Just make sure that you're not using any metallic tool, so no needles, no anything. Personally, I would advise toothbrush or a toothpick, but please be very careful about cleaning that, since it might break your speaker even further. However, if the issue still persists and if you have no speaker volume at all, I would advise you to just take your phone to some sort of take care store, or like phone daycare, maybe not daycare, sorry, but basically like a phone workshop, especially if it's official workshop. So if you have a Samsung phone, you want to go into Samsung workshop. If you have a Redmi phone, right, like I have now, I would probably want to go into Redmi service room. And maybe they will help me, maybe it will appear that my speaker is fixed, and maybe I won't have to pay double the price for the phone to fix that, which is sadly usually the case. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.